Hi, I'm Tiffany, and today I'm addressing a question that might have popped into your head when you heard the word lead magnets and you want to start implementing it in your business. If you're just starting with funnels and you're looking at implementing a lead magnet into your website and your online business, you've probably come across the question, how many lead magnets should I have? So today's video, I'm going to be telling you exactly how many to make and also the process on how you decide which lead magnets to create. So you may be thinking of making one, maybe 3 lead magnets, but actually research has shown that 15 lead magnets is the magic number. Now, when you hear that number, you're probably thinking, how on earth am I going to create 15 lead magnets and why do I need so many? I was just thinking of making one. So why do you need so many lead magnets? Well, have a think about this. When I say to you, who is your ideal client? You're probably going to say back to me, well, I have lots of different types of clients. I don't just have one type of client. Okay, so every single type of client that you have will have a different need. So if you can create a lead magnet addressing those needs, you are addressing those different potential clients. And also people are going to be in different stages of the buying journey. What is important and valuable for somebody ready to make a purchase, they just need that little nudge and just a little bit of confirmation, maybe with a case study, versus somebody who has absolutely no knowledge of you and they need to learn a bit more about why your service is what they need. They're going to need entirely different lead magnets. So think about that as opposed to having one lead magnet that one size fits all, in this case, does not. I actually recommend having many lead magnets, but 1 or 2 really big ones, 1 or 2 that provide the biggest value. The other ones are more supporting lead magnets for in a blog post, for example. So if you're writing a blog about the top 10 things you need to think about when cleaning your car, right, you could attach a cheat sheet lead magnet to that so that they don't have to go through the whole article, but they can just quickly download it as, right, step 1, clean the inside, or step 2, upholstery cleaning, step 3, windscreen cleaning, so they can actually print it out and keep it with them in the car if they so wish. A lead magnet helps a visitor get ready to buy from you. That's what you need to think about when you're creating a lead magnet. What do they need in their particular stage to get them to actually convert, to buy something, to sign up for your service? What do they need? Have a think about that. So how do you come up with lead magnet ideas? How do you know what to create? Well, I would like you to think about this process. Number 1, write down 10 problems your ideal client has. Write them down and then think about what types of content will solve that problem quickly. And those are your lead magnets. Don't start with all 10 if you feel that's too much. So write down the 10 problems you have and just work through slowly one by one. Don't have to do it all in one go. Focus on 1 or 2. Don't overcomplicate it. People do not want a whole book. They want something really quick and actionable. Remember to like this video, comment if you have any questions, any thoughts, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. Bye for now.